Welcome to Metrology lecture series. In the present video, we will discuss the thread angle measurement of a screw thread by Vernier protractor and the two ball method. Thread angle is defined as the angle between the two flanks of a screw thread. So first we have to discuss about the Vernier protractor method. Vernier protractor is a precision instrument which is used to measure the angles very accurately. In the thread measurement, it is used along with a profile projector to measure the thread angle of a screw thread. So first we have to discuss about the construction and working principle of the Vernier protractor. So in the schematically you have to represent it here Vernier protractor. So here I have to observe the main parts of the Vernier protractor. So first one is the circular scale. So circular scale is marked in the degrees. Usually it is the 0.5 degrees divisions. Next part is the Vernier scale. So Vernier scale is gives the very fine readings. In general, it will be give the minutes of the arc. Next third part is the protractor arm or maybe the rotating blade. It is used to align with the thread flanks. Next one is the tangent screw. So in general, tangent screw gives the helps in very fine adjustment. So let's see the working principle of the Vernier protractor. The thread is projected as a shadow on a screen using a projector. So first we have to project a shadow of the thread by using of a projector. Next we have to angle of the thread is then measured directly on the screen using this Vernier protractor. So let's see the procedure. First we have to place the threaded objective on the projector. So on the projector we have to first we have to place this screw thread we have to project. After that we have to focus and obtain a clear enlarged image of the thread on the screen. So then we have to rotate the protractor arm and align it with one flank of the screw thread. Then I have to note down this angle of the reading. After that one, once again you have to align this arm with the other flank. Then once again you have to read down this reading. After that one, included thread angle equal to the flank angle 1. Let's consider theta 1 on the right hand side plus flank angle 2. Let's consider the theta 2. So it is the angle of the left hand side angle. So this is the procedure of the measurement of the thread angle by the Vernier protractor. So let's see the advantages of this Vernier protractor. So Vernier protractor gives the very high accuracy and it is suitable for the small and precise threads. Moreover, it is the non-contact measurement, so there is no damage to the thread. Let's see the another method, measurement of thread angle by the two ball method. In this method, included angle of a screw thread can be checked by taking measurements using a diameter measuring machine with different sizes of the wires. So in the schematic you have to see. So this is the thread. So this thread angle you have to measure with the help of the two different sizes of the balls. So here first you have to place the one ball which is having the diameter D1. Then you have to take the readings with the help of the diameter measuring machine. After that we have to place the another wire which is having the diameter D2. Correspondingly, I have to take the reading of the diameter measuring machine. So let's see here. The basic principle of this method is the wires touch the flanks of the thread, and moreover, changing the wire sizes, the contact position on flanks also it will be changes. See here, first you have to place the small wire. Let's consider the diameter D1. It will be touch the flanks here. After that one, once again I have to place the larger wire. Let's consider the diameter D2. It will be touch the flanks here. So here the basic concept is the wires touch the flanks of the thread, and moreover, changing the wire size, it will be changes the contact position on the flanks. So this helps in determining the included angle very accurately. So first you have to take the two sets of the wires with different diameters. Let's consider D1 is the smaller diameter of the wire, and consider the D2 is the larger diameter of the wire. After placing these wires, then you have to corresponding measurements are taken. Let's consider D1. Capital D1 is the measurement over the smaller wire. So this is the D1. And D2 is the measurement over the larger wire. Then after taking the measurements, so then you have to use this formula. Sin theta by 2 equal to the D2 minus D1 divided by capital D2 minus D1 minus of D2 minus D1. So here theta by 2 is the half of the included angle. So here D1 and D2 is the diameters of the smaller wire and the larger wire, and capital D1 and capital D2 is the measurement over the smaller wire and the larger wire. So this is the procedure of the measurement of thread angle by Vernier protractor and the two ball method. Thank you.